Alright, so we're starting our trip out to Indiana. Only one of us has been there before. Maggie, she's going to show us around once we get there.
We just crossed into New York. It's raining, it's foggy, it's snowy.
Typical Chuck and Cheryl travel weather. So life on the road. Cheryl's making lunch. She would normally do this while I was still driving, but, well, nature called, so we do have an onboard bathroom, but when you're driving, you still have to stop. So we're taking advantage of it and making some lunch, and then back on the road. We're continuing along on I-90 here in New York. Cheryl is now driving.
And apparently I like to drive in the rain.
Yeah, apparently. So what do you think of the seat adjustment that we made?
Oh, I love it. Love it.
Made the difference, huh?
Yes.
Very good then. We are about 10 miles from the exit that we will be taking to go to our first boondock at a Walmart. This is the weather that we have out here.
Good morning.
From Batavia, New York. This is where we spent the night. Cheryl, myself, and Maggie had our first successful boondock at a Walmart. And I gotta tell you, this Walmart, one of the cleanest, most organized, and friendliest Walmarts we have ever seen. So we want to thank the staff here. It's great. We will be moving on today. We did 443 miles yesterday, and we are hoping to do 460 today, which will bring us to Indiana in the Jayco plant. We are joined by a fifth wheel and a travel trailer, and there were a couple of 18-wheelers here overnight also.
So we just went through Buffalo, and it's not raining, but it sure is dreary out there.
It's another Chuck and Cheryl travel day, obviously.
Yeah, but the vehicle's getting dirty.
Yo, Maggie's a pig. How does it mean? Does it seem a little eerie around here? Welcome to Erie, PA, everybody.
It's actually a little less eerie than it was earlier.
I was looking down, checking something on the phone, and when I looked up, this is what I saw. It kind of freaked me out a little bit. I thought a semi was headed for us. He's actually being towed. So we were almost to our destination, and we came across this little road mishap.
Yikes.
Oof. Someone's having a bad day.
Poor guy.
Our view from I-80 in Indiana. Farmland. Pretty much look the same in Ohio, too. We are Middlebury bound.
Almost there.
Almost there. Welcome to Middlebury, Indiana. Main road down to the factory. Coachman International. We're in RV country, huh?
Yeah, no kidding.
This looks like hometown USA. It's hard to believe that there's a big Jayco RV manufacturer just, what,
1.9 miles from here.
Yeah, less than 2 miles off the road. We're back in Amish country. This is just like last November when we were down in Pennsylvania. Well, lo and behold, it's Jayco. Welcome to the corporate headquarters for Jayco here in Middlebury, Indiana. This facility was completed in 1999, and let me tell you, Jayco owns a lot of acreage down here. A little bit of history on the company itself. It was started in 1968 by Lloyd and Bertha Bontrager. Lloyd had come up with his own unique idea for a lift system for fold-down campers. His wife convinced him that they should just open up their own fold-down trailer company right there on their farm. So that's exactly what they did. It's been 50 years and a lot of things have changed. They're not making them on the farm anymore. Oh, and in case you're wondering where the name came from, well, Jay is Lloyd's middle name, and the C-O well, it stands for company, so Jayco. Now, if for any reason you need to come back to the Jayco Factory for your Jayco to be serviced or whatever, this is the turn that you will make for service. Jayco Customer and RV Service Center. You can drive all the way down the end, and you're gonna hope that there's a spot with hookups.
Oh, look at the pretty colors on the
No, the Greyhawk.
Greyhawk.
So as we get down here, you can probably see there are RVs down here on the left. Those are for Integra parking. Jayco parking will be on the right. But we were told if there's no spots for us, feel free to park in the Integra parking lot area. We have Maggie all settled in the parking lot, so we thought we would take a little stroll around the area just to see what's here. And hey, check it out. All the Class A chassis. Those are pretty cool, huh? And a little close-up, just in case you were wondering where they put the gas tank on these things. It's right there. On the other side of this fence by that building is the Melbournes. They look brand spanking new over there. And next to them are the cutaway van chassis.
And look, Ken, it's got the floor welds already on it.
Oh, no kidding. I didn't even notice that.
These are in process.
And over there is the customer service lounge. A quite comfortable lounge it is.
It's got a kitchen area with a microwave and a fireplace and a couple TVs.
And bathrooms. Clean bathrooms.
And showers.
Yeah. We are staying here at the Jayco Integra parking lot campground, as we've been calling it.
Yes, we have.
Now, each site has hookups, but it's for electrical service only, although water is available. Friday when we got here, there were 9 Integras to our precept. We felt outnumbered. And then our buddy Rich showed up on Saturday, so it sort of evened things out.
Yes, it did.
Now, as far as the Integras go, look at these rigs. These are beautiful coaches.
But they are huge. I think we'll stick with our Maggie.
Yeah, because when we bought her, we thought she was too big, too.
Yes, we did.
Good morning from Indiana. We are here on day 3 or day 4. I'm not even sure.
Day 3.
But we are here at the factory. They have provided us power. They've given us water. There are bathroom facilities for us to use. So thank you, Jayco. Made our stay a little bit easier because it's still cold out and we are winterized. We are waiting on the service writer to go over our list of items. 2 pages. It's only 17 items. A couple of them are kind of big though. Like this whole slide has issues. So we will let you know how everything turns out. We have to leave Maggie for 3 weeks. It's a little sad day, but we will be back together. Don't worry, old girl, we're coming back. We got to meet a longtime subscriber, which we now consider a friend. His name is Rich. He has a 2017 Jayco 35S. We had a lot of fun. We hung out together for the last couple of days. We were in our rig, we were in his rig. We were comparing the differences between the 2016, 2017. We look forward to meeting his wife sometime and getting together again for an adventure down the road. So, as we sit here and wait, we figured we would close this video out. So if you liked the video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's right there. It says subscribe. Go ahead and click that. You can follow along with all of our adventures. Feel free to share and comment. And until we do something else, and Maggie, probably, I guess it won't be until we come back and get her, huh, hon?
That's right.
The end.